My name is Kim Stevens, and my role is the program coordinator for the Water Sustainability Action Plan for British Columbia. And I guess I'll be the kind of the person who weaves our team through the next hour and a half or less. In terms of our sparse audience right now, how many people are not from British Columbia? Okay, two. Okay, so the rest of you may even heard about us. No, just kidding. Anyway, let's see how this works now. Good. Just to get us going here, this is kind of create a bit of a mind map because we're the on-the-ground guys. And you know, this morning you heard about development, and we bring it down to the very basics, which is, you know, where and how land is developed determines two things: how water is used and how it runs off the land. So those two elements come back to sustainability of supply on the inside, and then sustainability of aquatic habitat on the outside. So if you can kind of keep this picture in your mind, it'll help guide you through the next hour or so. So in terms of, you know, why we're here in the Water Sustainability Action Plan, and which is a partnership, and Daisy, who I singled out a few minutes ago, is the CEO of the British Columbia Water and Waste Association. So in terms of the Water Sustainability Action Plan for British Columbia, it is a partnership umbrella, and it's a collaboration of the province of British Columbia, the BCWA, and the Real Estate Foundation. So our funders are the province and the Real Estate Foundation. And so we're the on-the-ground guys, which is why you keep seeing language like on-the-ground initiatives, because we've all been there, done it in terms of a highfalutin language. And the other thing which distinguishes us is what we call our water-centric approach to community development. Water-centric. We're the water guys. And moving right along, in terms of giving you a bit of a context, a provincial context here, there's two initiatives in British Columbia. One, Living Water Smart, which is initiated by the, and Eric, have you got your copy to wave? Okay, I forgot to bring it with me. Living Water Smart, which is really the vision for British Columbia in terms of water resources and how we go forward, and the Green Communities Initiative, led by the Ministry of Community and Rural Development. So these two initiatives together provide the vision of what the regions of our province can look like. For those, thank you very much, Eric, for those who are not familiar with this, so those of you who are from British Columbia, have you all heard or seen Living Water Smart? Daisy, you don't put up your hand, I know you seen it. So this is the first time. Okay, good. So this gives us the picture of where we want to go. And it's all about, you know, creating our future and preparing communities for climate change, choose to be water smart, and then strive to build greener communities. And in terms of what's happening in this province, it's not just that we're here talking, there is a concerted effort at the provincial level and using the grant programs to really shape choices. And so I guess in terms of this graphic, in terms of how we're building capacity, we would fit under partnerships and projects where you see inter- and intra-governmental and integration and support tools. That's what you're going to hear about from the rest of the team. And where we're bringing this down to a focus is from this kind of a high-level language down to Vancouver Island. So again, most people here are from British Columbia. You know where the island is, right? Did you know there's 750,000 people there? Who did not know that there was 750,000 people on Vancouver Island? I see a couple of hands. You didn't know, Daisy. Okay, now you do. Most of them along the East Coast there. So, next one. In terms of how the rest of this presentation will unfold, it's really, you know, this is our story. This is the story of the Water Sustainability Action Plan. It's a story of what we've been doing. Three key words: vision, education, tools. So Eric Bonham, Mike Tanner, and Ted Van Gool are going to talk to that. Eric Bonham, Mr. Bonham, if you can't come up here, please, I'll give you this